This is part 4 of reacting to Pink Thumb fucking series because this channel fucking sucks. This intro is just gonna be short. Anyways, enjoy the video.
Where do I work?
Oh my god, shut the fuck up! I don't know where you work at.
Deliver mail, parcels, and packages to all kinds of houses and buildings. You can pick up your mail in this building also.
This is so fucking easy, you're so dumb.
Hello, I am a mail carrier.
Oh my god, what the fuck is that abomination? Get the fuck off of my screen right now before I punch you through the walls.
I can bake anything, like pies, cakes, bread, cookies, and pastries.
Oh my god, shut the fuck up. No one gives a shit about you cooking shit. You're grounded for 1,000 years. Or infinity because you're fucking stupid.
I bake delicious cookie cakes, pies, or whatever you want.
I swear to fucking god, if you don't shut the fuck up, shut your fucking mouth right now, I am going to throw you into the sky and you'll disappear forever.
We check their bodies to make sure their bodies are functioning well. If a patient needs special medicine, we will prescribe it to them.
Oh my god, shut the fuck up! No one gives a shit. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. Not even 9 either. Not even 10. Not even 100. Not even 1,000. Not even 10,000. Not even 1 million. Not even 10 million. Not even 1 billion. Not even 10 billion. Not even infinity. No one gives a shit.
I am a teacher. I work at home or in a school building.
Oh my god, shut the fuck up with that high-pitched voice going like, hi, I'm a teacher! I do nothing for a living! Ah!
Houses, buildings, and factories from danger. I also help people and animals. When I put out dangerous fires, I wear special clothing to protect me from the fire and smoke.
Okay, you know what? I'm not even gonna do a fucking voice line for this part. Instead, here's my message for you.
I am a special scientist.
At NASA building. It prepares me for space adventures.
Oh, that's it. You're grounded for 9,999,999,999 years.
I do more than take people to jail and write tickets. I help and serve in my community, keep people safe and protect their property. I even investigate to solve a problem and make sure people are not breaking the laws.
Hello, I am a police officer. And I work at a police station.
Alright, that's fucking it. I'm so done with this video because this video is fucking basic as shit. Oh my god.
Esse é o bonde do esse é o bonde do